Ani Prateek hi
Ready? Roll. Action.
Vuahin date ni som hi le pali September sang ni som hi pakhat hian Lunglei tagatanga Mizoram in har satalian tak kanto All India Service Exam akan tin thelo na le abik takin IAS exam page 1 sang hi le som pali akan tin ber aniya kan shechefa tuna hian sari kan on ta ani he kan mutana tanga chhuak tur hian chief minister zau tak Mizoram thanga kaishwa ministry Mizoram Youth Commission malak lain tan chuan tumin na satakin ma kan meka chumi tan chuan super IAS 40 program full sponsorship program hi nikum lam khan super IAS 20 program tin zirlai atai mazual le ati thazungal kan exam fair taka kan contact atanga kan transfer mi som ni te su New Delhi ate thonin academy pania ALS academy le chanakia som ve da in kan ta to khania kumina hianin he program hi tilen kan tuma tun session lom le duratan hian tilen kan tuma chu super IAS 40 program kan kalpui don tani eta hian zirlai helam pangari ruseng te le ti tak hote kan exam ron in lan hote ati thazwal somli kan thang chok to dona chu da chuan New Delhi thonin academy thahowa kan da to dona ni IAS kan kin thelo na le All India Service kan tlak niam na hi nas takin kan address in Mizoram ni kan puang tu ani tin sumi ba ka chuan hemi kan local level hianin Delhi in thon te chau ni lovin kan local level kan khotuala hianin in elna mumal zo om theina turin program ro pui tak voina hian Mizoram ni puimha kan puang du boka chu Mega IAS Scholarship for Mizoram Hybrid Coaching Program kan tia chu hey COVID har sarnate aniwang hian online class kalte angai tama amaro chu online cha uhi tha kan tilowa offline amuna injirtir nge ya uluk taka mai chana injirtir na te poi tha kan tia chu ne na kal kop tu chuan Mega IAS program for Mizoram Hybrid Coaching Program hi Mizoram Center pali MYC kan nei pakhat chu Aizawl ania pani na chu Lunglei nia pathum na Siaha nia palina Kolasib pate kalpui kan tuma chu scholarship exam hi October ni somthum sang ni somni pakhat hian buat sai kan tumani ti te hi voina hian kan han puang chok tua hi chumi turatan chon voina hian alternative learning system New Delhi tenen te po thawhhona te ziakin kabula hian Mr. Prateek Oma adi tenen hian thawhhona te kan ziak zo chia voina hian he kan program ro pui tak mai hi hemi hi mi puima kan tlang zaran ti hi kan soidu ani
the kan chairman in mo ke secretary MYC donila rosam kania kan chairman in tunalon suita khan October ni som thuma kan exam tu hi hybrid scholarship exam kan tia chu haran sifia photo offline online kan kal thena turatana scholarship exam hian miza kan select dona center palia zirtu ti chuan December ani khata tran turin le sang ni somdi le pani prelims thlenga kan thoho thena tur india coaching palitan kha kan han siam zawa ti chuan ALS lam hi anni hian engkim mo purna milak sabdona ti chuan hemi turatana sen sawi hi nuai somruk ani don ani scholarship exam bi ka chuan Mega 40 IAS kan ti kha ni kuma mi somti i noi sunga le ti velin i kanin thon to kumina kha alien mi sumli kan siam zong takina thalai te heten ko kan ho thin thira turatana rom hana min neih le atak ngai kan ti hong king thei bok hong ti lai kha vuahin neih hian kan han soi lua kan sponsorship full sponsorship bi som ni bi a hi chu kan honorable CM kan pon committee te nein kan chu hong le nga chu bi chu mi ang chuan nakina ALS nen pon eng tingin nge kan than chunga exam te po eng ting ngai kan hani tai up yang ti fa chu nakina len tu ra ni dona he hybrid scholarship exam hi chu thalai te na sataka he kan exam buat saya coaching center palia kaltura tana in buat se thar turin le mega 40 bi somli deli huna kan zir til tu Mizoram sarkar ina kan thon tu te kham hi program po thawhhona sarkar ina sataka min puina te country chumi ataka zir thei tura in buat sai na sataka in buat sai turin mizo thalai te he te number 3 mi te vuahin neih hian kan som ve tu ni
Ready? Okay.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Prateek Bhattacharya. I'm National Sales Head, one of India's largest IAS coaching network, ALS. ALS has a 24-year-old legacy of giving this country more than 2,000 students who've already cleared UPSC and are serving in various posts in the state government as well as central government. Our consistency in our results in UPSC is 20 to 25% each year, which means out of the 1,900 selections, almost 200 to 250 candidates from across India are alumni of ALS. We are proud to announce that we have recently signed an MOU with the government of Mizoram, which is going to enable 100 students, 100 needy, deserving and talented students of Mizoram to avail of free UPSC coaching at the comfort of their hometown. We've also decided to expand, our existing centers, which were currently in Aizawl and Lunglei, and we're now going to be opening up 2 more centers in Kolasib and Siaha, so that students in Kolasib and Siaha can also avail of the best coaching, IAS coaching of Delhi at the comfort of their hometown. In addition to this, we will be selecting these top 100 students of Mizoram via a Mega IAS Scholarship examination, which will be conducted on the 30th of October. The registration form will be online due to the recent COVID protocols, where this QR code, which is shown on this design here, will be made available in all the social media platforms of the Mizoram Youth Commission. The students, the IAS Aspirants of Mizoram, are requested to scan the QR code and register. The forms will be made available from 1st October online, and candidates will have time till 25th of October to register for this examination, which will be conducted on the 30th of October. The examination centers will be Aizawl, Lunglei, Kolasib and Siaha. The results of these examinations will be compiled by ALS in Delhi on the 5th of November after Diwali and announced by Mizoram Youth Commission. The selected students will be requested to report to the training venues from January onwards. However, due to the recent COVID restrictions, we do not want to waste any further time, because we have already been delayed in the training as early as December. So December is when we'll be commencing the training via app, because the state protocols might not allow us to conduct the face-to-face coaching, physical coaching in the centers. But we are hopeful that the COVID situation in Mizoram is going to improve considerably by Christmas, with the way the vaccination speed is taking place. So we are hopeful that from January onwards, the start of a new year, 2022, we should be able to resume our training at the physical coaching centers at the 4 locations I've already mentioned. The training will be an intensive, a rigorous 1.5-year program, preparing our candidates for the IAS 2023 examination, where the students will be undergoing a complete, major transformation, right from the basic concepts of foundation to the all the curriculum which is covered by the UPSC. I'm also happy to announce, in the presence of Honorable Chairman, that ALS has also volunteered to provide free coaching in Delhi for any student out of these 100 students who clears from Mizoram the prelims examination. A free coaching for mains crash course and test series, which is the next level of examination UPSC, will be conducted in Delhi, free of cost by ALS. And in the event somebody clears the main exam, also a free interview rigorous training program for the interview training, which is scheduled in Delhi, will also be given by ALS. Now, the second program which we are focusing, is a more result-oriented, program already given UPSC attempts before. So what we're trying to do is we are trying to put these students, the Super 40 as we speak of Mizoram, and make them undergo a very intensive training, something like in army word which is used as like a boot camp, you know, a rigorous training, face-to-face training which will be conducted at the campus in Delhi itself of ALS, where students will undergo a 5 months intensive training, you know, for the examination of prelims, with the hope that we will at least have 3 or 4 candidates who will definitely clear the prelims examination, which is scheduled for 5th of June in 2022, and do Mizoram proud. Right? That's it from my side, and if there's any other question, I'll be happy to answer.
Ministry Mizoram thanga kai shuai kan chief minister zom ta Mizoram thanga kai shuai hian thalai te promotion hi thalai te maso na tu ri dang tu na sa ma Mizoram Youth Commission po chu tiang chon thei to pin kan in board sa ya na soi phong thina gin le ka thiam po a thei to a tha theiang pera da kan tuma chu tiang gin kan be me ka hemi IAS exam chu changa te po a sang theiang pera da kan tu chu ti line le ka thiam lo po kan boy pui zel don boka helamba sang lo ho te po ti khania he program kaltlang hian in Mizoram ina nam dang ho te mit muwa kan lo chet chet phone na te po na satakin mamiti son kan ringa he program mang hian Mizoram hi mai uang takin kan chuange kan ringa thalai helam panga tui mi zong zong ho te All India Service Exam ma UPSC exam a tele competitive exam zong zong a tui ho te lo in buat sai sap saula Mizoram Youth Commission hian thei to pin nang mani tan kan boy pui don ani ti hi wena hian kan soi ni kan lo me